Hello everyone, today I'll analyze the global trends of wooden car aroma lids and introduce our core processing machine, the dedicated drilling and tapping all-in-one machine. The global car aromatherapy market keeps expanding. Natural wooden lids have replaced plastic caps as high-end mainstream products in Europe, America, Southeast Asia and the Middle East. Let's look at 4 key industry trends. First, eco-friendly wood packaging is highly demanded. Many regions enforce strict plastic restrictions. Beech, walnut and bamboo lids with eco certifications are favored, helping brands meet carbon neutral and reach standards. Second, wooden lids are valued for premium car interior decoration. Natural wood grain brings warm texture, releases essential oil evenly, and supports custom engraving, hollow-out designs and diverse shapes to match luxury vehicles. Third, flexible small-batch OEM and ODM orders are growing fast. Buyers launch new designs frequently, requiring manufacturers to switch workpiece sizes quickly with short lead times. Fourth, assembly precision standards are getting stricter. Misaligned holes or rough threads cause perfume leakage and high rejection rates, a big headache for most factories. Traditional separate drilling and tapping equipment brings obvious drawbacks. Workpieces need reclamping twice, wasting labor and time. Repeated manual positioning leads to poor accuracy, high defect rates, and extra space and cost for 2 machines. To solve all these production bottlenecks, we developed this integrated drilling tapping machine specially for wooden car aroma lids. It finishes drilling and tapping in one single clamping cycle without secondary repositioning. Equipped with CNC touchscreen control, it can quickly adjust parameters for different lid diameters, thread depths and hole layouts. The positioning accuracy reaches 0.02 mm to guarantee tight assembly with glass perfume bottles and cut defective products greatly. Optional automatic vibration feeding reduces labor by over 60% and doubles daily output compared with 2 separate devices. It fits walnut, beech, bamboo and most wood materials, suitable for both mass production and customized small orders. If your factory manufactures wooden car aroma lids and you want higher efficiency, stable quality and lower production costs, this all-in-one machine is your perfect production solution. Leave a comment or contact us to get machine specs, test samples and workshop operation videos. Thank you for watching.